teacher, and I teach Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2, and so I just applied. Just last week I graduated as well with my MA in education. Public speaking is really not one of my things, even though I do get to do it most of the time, because I like to talk on a one-to-one. But standing up in front of people kind of always gives me the nerves. But I did get a book called Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway by Susan Jefferson. So ever since I had that self-development book, it has helped me a little bit. So that was where I was before the course. And then I was on Facebook, so I've got a Facebook page, and I'm on Instagram as well as LinkedIn. So I'm really active in the social media world. But anyway, as I was browsing Facebook, and I came across speakers and leaders, and so I decided to go and have a look, because now having a master's, I really want to go beyond being just a teacher. Yeah. I want something more than that. So whether being in the headship position, or actually I had a dream of running my own nursery, and so I'm thinking along those lines. But to be able to be an entrepreneur or lead in those sort of positions, you've got to be able to speak. Public speaking should be something that you are really confident in. So I decided to kind of like put my name down for this, and just to help myself improve with the self-confidence, and to empower me to stand in front of an audience, regardless of who it is, and just, give my message that I want to give. So that was my problem and the struggle. So what has changed? Coming here today, I have actually seen a lot of people, different career backgrounds, and we all have one thing in common. And it's just inspired me, to be honest, to see people from all walks of life come up here and deliver, and we're all kind of like in the same boat. So it has empowered me, and I feel I want to do more of these speakers, leaders courses, so that will kind of like improve in my public speaking. So that's where I am now. So I would like to come and do it more. So thank you for having me here. I feel a lot empowered and inspired.